Hi, I'm Curly Cuber, and today we're going to be taking a look at a new speed cube. Well, not too new, came out a few months ago, but here's a package from speed cube, and I believe it should be the new MoYu WRM 2021 Light Edition. So let's get into it. Tear this apart carefully. Okay, and here it is. Let's see what the cube comes with. It comes with accessories, which we know what they are, adjustment features, and pamphlets. And finally we have the puzzle, the main attraction, which comes in this super cool looking box. I really like it. And now is the WRM 2021. And here it is. So right away I can tell this cube has kind of a matte finish, like their recent 3x3s. And comparing the shades to the RS3M, I would say the shades of this cube are a little bit brighter than this. Alright, more cubing, less talking. Let's get into the first turns. Alright, pretty sandy out of the box. Really tight too. So, first impressions, this cube feels really bone dry, and the magnetic strength is, well, not too strong, but definitely noticeable. And that can be adjusted with setup. And you can adjust that with an adjustment tool inside the box. Okay, dare I say this cube is incredibly effortless to turn, like, it's also extremely fast. Like, look at this. Like, look at that, the U3. Wow. This feels absolutely incredible. So regarding the feel, this cube feels extremely smooth as well as a tad sandy. Regarding the corner cutting, it's a little bit tight right now, but it does all the usual. So we all know that this cube has adjustment features, 5 different magnet settings, 9 different compression systems, so we have all that known. So comparing it to the Ganwave Duo, they actually feel pretty similar actually, except this one feels a lot more papery and light and smooth, and this one feels a lot more compact and put together. Alright, I'm done with my average of 5, and you can see it on the screen right now. It was pretty decent, especially for my turning, my solving. Ready, set, go. Oh, come on, small there. Not too bad. So, I did run into a few catches and lockups because this thing is extremely tight right now, but after setting up, I think this is going to be absolutely incredible. So that wraps up my first impressions on the MoYu WRM 2021. That's all for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.